Cloud storage is like a magical space on the internet where you can keep your digital stuff, like photos, documents, and videos, safe and sound. Instead of saving everything on your computer or phone, you store it in this virtual space, which you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. It's like having a backpack that you can carry everywhere, but it's not heavy, and you can put as many things as you want in it. Using cloud storage is easy peasy. First, you need to choose a cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive. Once you pick your favorite, you create an account, just like making a username for a game. After that, you can start uploading your files to the cloud. Uploading is like putting your files in the magical internet backpack. Now, the cool part is that you can open your backpack from any device, like your friend's computer or your grandma's tablet, and see all your stuff. You want to add something new to your cloud backpack, you just upload it. If you want to share something with a friend, you can send them a special link to that thing in your backpack. It's like sharing a secret code that lets them see your cool drawing or funny video. Plus, you don't have to worry about losing your stuff if your computer decides to take a nap forever, because it's all safe in the cloud. In a nutshell, cloud storage is like a magical backpack on the internet where you can keep your digital treasures safe and share them with your pals easily.